Remember, please get your parents' consent before attempting any activity.
Hey y'all, this is Ms. Ross, the Activity Boss. Today we're going to work on a technology-focused lesson. And did you know that you can actually program the camera inside your phone and inside a computer? So I'm going to show you all about that today. Today's lesson is all about blurring the line between the physical world and the digital world. And in computer science and technology, video sensing means using your camera as a sensor in order to react to different movements, sounds, and colors that happen. So basically, instead of using your mouse or keys as a trigger to make things happen inside your code, you're going to use your video camera, and it's going to react to different motions like waving your hand or waving your hands up and down, or it could even react to you yelling really loud. So I'm going to show you how to do that in Scratch. So now I'm going to show you an example of video sensing. So you're going to go to semiconductor.withgoogle.com, and I'm going to show you a really cool example of video sensing. So you actually have to use a computer for this one. You can't use your phone, and the computer has to have a webcam. So what this Google project does is it senses the shape of your body, and it uses the shape of your body to conduct an orchestra like a conductor actually does in real life. So I'm going to show you how it works. So you let the camera figure out the shape of your body. You can see it moves with me when I move. Alright, then it turns green when it's ready. And if you move your hands up, it makes the music play louder. And if you move your hands down, it makes it play softer. And then if I move my hands to the right, it plays the big violins. If I move my hands to the left, it plays the little ones. So it's like you're conducting an orchestra.
We're going to do our own video sensing code. You're going to go to scratch.mit.edu and hit create. And we're going to use an extension called video sensing. So you can see that it turned on my video camera, and so you can see my face now. So you're going to use these blocks over here. So I'm going to start with the event when the green flag is clicked, then go down to video sensing. So when the green flag is clicked, turn the video on. And then you can tell that it's not 100% clear, so there's actually a layer, a white layer over top of the video feed, and so that's called the video transparency. And so I want it to be a little more white, so I'm going to set that to 75. So you can see now, you can't see me quite as well, and you can see the cat a little bit better. I'm going to make my cat bigger too. Put him right there. Okay, and then you need this block, video motion on Sprite. So that's telling our computer that it's going to use the motion of our bodies to control the sprite. So you can also have it control the stage. You can also have it be based on the direction of where you're moving, but I'm going to do it with motion. Okay. So now I'm going to drag this block. So when the video motion, so this is based on how much movement there is. So I'm going to do, I think, 30. And so when it's little, it means that it doesn't need very much motion at all to trigger the action. And when it's big, all the way up to 100, that means you need a lot of movement to trigger the action. So I'm going to show you how that works. So now I'm going to do a sound. So play sound meow till done. So when it's 30, I can pet my cat. And he'll meow. If I set it to like 1, it needs like hardly any motion. It's always meowing all over if I set it to 90, I need like a lot of motion for it to meow. It's still not going. So let's try like 70. So quite a lot still. I think a happy medium is 30. Now, when I pet my cat, he meows. So you guys can play around with that. You can do different characters, different sounds. You could have it get bigger or smaller. So you can put any action here and use any sprite too. And it's going to start the action based on your movement on the screen instead of something like clicking the space bar or clicking a certain key. So I want you guys to go crazy. I hope you had fun doing this.
Can you come up with any other ideas for things to program besides a cat? Let your imagination run wild. And if you do this activity, you can post it on social media and tag us using @ and hashtag BGCSouthal. See you next time.